Zvi. I'm a co-founder at Applicasa, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about us and about that scary zombie over there. Applicasa is a mobile game management platform that helps game publishers increase in-app purchase revenue through user segmentation and event-based promotions. To make a long story short, we're here to help you make more money. And we're doing it through maximizing your user's lifetime value in 3 steps. The first step is creating a dynamic virtual store in your game. With Applicasa, you'll be able to control your virtual goods, your virtual currency, change their prices according to the game's economy, then analyze your users, your behavior of the users by knowing their spending habits, their usage, know who are the big spenders and who are the non-spenders. The last and most important step is creating an event-based promotions that encourage the users to make more in-app purchases. Let's see a use case that we have. This is our game. It's called Great Expectations. Don't judge me by the name, I didn't come up with it. And obviously we have big expectation of the game. It truly could be a great game, but it doesn't have a management platform. It runs only on the client side and doesn't make enough revenue. It has a virtual store, but no way to manage it. It has a virtual currency, but no way to maintain it and see whether prices are too high or too low. Great Expectations has all these users, but no one knows who they really are. No one knows how they spend in your app, how they play, what is their favorite items, and so on. And this is why we came, and this is what we're here to solve. With Applicasa, you'll be able to first create a virtual store in your game, control the virtual currency and the virtual goods. But most important, Applicasa helps you identify your users, categorize them into different behavioral segments. Segments could be like the zombie that we saw before. A zombie is a non-spender user, the one that never spent a dime in your app. With these segments and more, you'll be able to create multiple user profiles in your game and then target them tailor-made promotions that are based on events inside the app. Events could be either running out of coins or even logging in with the first time with Facebook or completing a level. These promotions are triggered to the right user at the right moment, encouraging them to make more in-app purchases in their game and produce more revenue, of course. Simplicity. This is the key word when working with Applicasa. Anyone in your company can work with Applicasa. Of course, you'll need developers to first integrate it in your app, but once you've done that, everyone, your BI team, marketing staff, and even game designers can work with our system by creating virtual store and manage it with the UI user interface that we have. Create promotions and target them to the specific users, and then run A/B testing, analyze it with our dashboard analytics tool that helps create more revenue. Now the next slide is the final one, and it's the most important one, and this is what I want you to take when you go back home. Our value proposition is to help you identify your users, create and send personalized promotions to the users, and then make more money out of them. And we do it with simplicity. Thank you very much.